Hello, on May the 15th, new Bitcoin update. Bitcoin here on the daily, still in that bullish flag with the risk that we do something like this, a bigger correction towards 50,000. That would turn for me a bit more serious when we once again break below 59,000 and do get here some kind of bearish retest. Then I would consider that to be more likely. For now, it is mostly lower time frame price action, or barely action, but a lot of chop, very annoying price action for the past weeks. We still have that move higher with a correction due to the how can you call it, sluggish price action in with that BART pattern the past days. Here I was looking for a bounce, then this move retrace but rejected. Beginning of the week I said above this level I will look for a more bullish approach, otherwise I do think we are making that move towards 58,000. With that rejection here, we do have another lower high, which is still making this as a valid pattern. If we would have broken above, it would have invalidated the pattern. So short term, and that could already happen today with the CPI release later today, we could see wicks to both sides, where I would say a move towards green box, and then I would look for a bounce, not blindly longing, because then we are below 59,000, which I just mentioned. But then I would look for a bounce and a higher low. And if we do get a surprising move above that blue horizontal, I'd look for a more bullish pattern. But taking into account that Ether here on the 4 hour hasn't completed its move to the green box, this makes it still pretty likely for me. This is still a valid pattern for me. It could still go for 2,500 Ether, and that will only happen if Bitcoin also comes down, and that would be, first target would be 58,000, that green box, 58,500, and then to see what happens from there. What I said, in a couple of hours, a CPI, maybe it gives us finally some direction, and I hope that we finally get rid of this ongoing chop, and let's see tomorrow what CPI brought. Have a nice day.